we'll unbox Noise Watch Max. I have ordered that was in Amazon. It cost me around 1800. Let's unbox it and we'll see how it is. Yes. With that, one watch, one strip band, white color. Okay, Noise Watch. Show me. What is the exact price? 120 gram weight. And features: touchscreen, stress monitor, Bluetooth calling, blood oxygen monitor, 100 sports mode, IP68 waterproof, 24/7 heart rate monitor, 150 watch faces, up to 10 days battery life. So MRP is actually price is 6000, but I got with a deal 1800. Okay, now open it. So it will run with Android phone. First. What is the name? Color Fit Pulse 2 Max, right? Open the dial, show me. I ordered for my 10 years old boy. Let's see. Okay, open it. What all there in the packet? Nothing. Adapter. Only books, paper, sticker है? Okay. Now leave it that. This is all the instructions paper.
Oh, let's keep it inside.
Okay, we'll keep that inside. Everything you keep inside. Open the charging cable. No adapter in this packet. Okay, USB port, right? Show me. USB port. No magnetic charge, huh?
Yes. Room dekho cho.
Okay. Open this one, the sticker. Nice color, I think. Yes, wear it. It's a big dial, rectangular shape. Okay, like this we have to do charging, right? Sure. I think it looks little bigger to his hand, but picture wise is very demanding. I think all advanced features are there. We can connect to Android phone in this, and we can lift the call and make the call. What it is asking?
ऐप इंस्टॉल करायचं
with device.
बोल कर दे
Okay, it's all about noise watch color fit walls 2 max.